The C-17 Globemaster III is the primary long-range, heavy airlift aircraft of the United States Air Force, designed to meet the demanding logistics and transport needs of modern military operations. Its core mission is the rapid, reliable, and flexible delivery of personnel and cargo directly to forward-deployed bases or austere landing zones. It remains one of the most important force projection tools in the U.S. Department of Defense inventory. Originally developed by McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, the C-17 program was born out of the need to replace the aging airlift platforms and bridge the gap between tactical and strategic airlift capability. The aircraft made its first flight in 1991 and entered operational service with the U.S. Air Force in 1995. It was designed from the beginning to handle oversized and heavy cargo, operate from short, rough runways, and adapt to both military and humanitarian roles. Over the past 3 decades, the aircraft has become synonymous with global U.S. mobility power. Technically, the C-17 is powered by 4 Pratt and Whitney F-117, PW-100, turbofan engines, each delivering around 40,400 pounds of thrust. These engines are fitted with fully reversible thrust capability, allowing the aircraft to back up on the ground without external support and perform rapid deceleration landings. A distinctive feature of the C-17's design is the use of blown flaps or powered lift aerodynamics. This technique directs engine exhaust over the wing flaps during takeoff and landing, greatly increasing lift at low airspeeds and enabling short-field performance. This system allows the aircraft to achieve short takeoff and landing distances, even under full load, on runways as short as 3,000 feet and as narrow as 90 feet, including semi-prepared surfaces like gravel or compacted dirt. During development and testing, the C-17 set multiple world records, including a notable performance benchmark where it took off with a 44,000-pound payload in under 1,400 feet and landed in the same distance. This was achieved while maintaining stability, full control, and safe operating margins, even under operational loads. As of 2025, it holds over 30 official world aviation records related to payload, altitude, and short-field operations. The C-17's cargo compartment is purpose-built for versatility and rapid reconfiguration. It measures approximately 88 feet long by 18 feet wide, with a height clearance of about 12.3 feet. The floor features adjustable rollers and tie-down points to facilitate both palletized and wheeled cargo. The rear loading ramp and door system are hydraulically actuated, allowing vehicles and equipment to be driven directly into or out of the aircraft. Load planning software and onboard diagnostic systems allow ground crews to prepare the aircraft quickly and safely for diverse missions. The aircraft is capable of transporting massive loads, including personnel, medical evacuation teams, and heavy equipment. Typical loadouts include multiple pallets, troops, or a combination of both, depending on mission needs. The onboard environmental control system supports sustained flight with human occupants, including high-altitude oxygen support and aeromedical equipment interfaces. One of the most defining features of the C-17 is its mission flexibility. It can transition seamlessly between long-range intercontinental flights and low-level tactical operations. It can fly at altitudes up to 45,000 feet, cruise at speeds approaching 450 knots Mach 0.74 to 0.77, and descend rapidly using engine reversers mid-flight, a maneuver used to reach combat zones or emergency landing strips with minimal exposure to threats. This descent method, known as a tactical descent or combat descent, involves a rapid, high-angle descent that minimizes loiter time in potentially hostile airspace. The aircraft is fully compatible with U.S. aerial refueling systems, including the flying boom method used by tankers like the KC-135 and KC-46. This gives the C-17 an effectively unlimited global range when supported by tanker aircraft, further strengthening the U.S. Air Force's global reach posture. In practice, this means the aircraft can deploy from the continental United States to any theater of operations within hours, without requiring forward basing or intermediate refueling stops. Operationally, the C-17 has been involved in nearly every major contingency and emergency response conducted by the United States since the 1990s. Its ability to operate from remote, unprepared environments has made it invaluable for missions ranging from combat support and rapid troop deployment to natural disaster relief, search and rescue, and evacuation of American personnel. One of the aircraft's most notable performances came during a 2021 mission, when a C-17 safely evacuated over 800 individuals on a single flight, far exceeding its peacetime certified capacity, without mechanical failure or incident. The aircraft is crewed by 3 personnel, a pilot, co-pilot, and loadmaster. The cockpit features advanced avionics, including head-up displays, fly-by-wire flight controls, and automated navigation and threat warning systems. Ongoing upgrades to the C-17 fleet include improved secure communications, satellite data links, digital cockpit enhancements, defensive countermeasures, and reliability improvements for global mission readiness. From a logistics and sustainment standpoint, the C-17 is supported by a global maintenance and support infrastructure managed jointly by the U.S. Air Force and Boeing. The U.S. maintains dedicated bases with the necessary ramp space, parts inventory, and trained personnel to support high-tempo operations worldwide. As of mid-2025, the U.S. Air Force operates 222 C-17 Globemaster III aircraft, all in active service. The platform is expected to remain operational well into the 2040s, due to its reliability, performance, and mission adaptability. There are currently no plans to replace the C-17 with a new design, though studies continue into next-generation mobility concepts. The C-17's established track record, high availability rates, and proven effectiveness in both peacetime and combat operations ensure it will remain a backbone of U.S. global mobility for the foreseeable future. The C-17 Globemaster III is not just an aircraft, it is a strategic asset that enables rapid U.S. power projection, crisis response, and logistics dominance. It is engineered for mission success across a spectrum of operational environments and remains one of the most capable, reliable, and respected military transport platforms ever built.